Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you the Raid Double Control Small Roach baits. Right here I have two different types of devices that will help control your problem that you have with roaches. Right here on the left I have 12 child-resistant baits. Right here it gives relief from severe roach problems, and on the right side it has egg stoppers. Now this is 3 sterilizers that are used to sterilize roaches that don't eat the bait. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Alright, on the back, remember to read the instructions before using this and follow the instructions and not what I'm telling you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, and right here there is, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Here are the sterilizers. Right here, there's 3 sterilizers, and supposedly when you tear them apart, after you tear them apart, you're supposed to press this right here, and this will release the sterilizers for the roaches that you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side right here. Those are the sterilizers, and then right here are the bait traps right here. So when you're taking these, you simply just go ahead and break them apart and place them in different areas. And on the back of the cartridge, or the back of the box, it explains to you where and how to place these. But here are all the baits traps. There's 12 of these in here, and there's 3 of the sterilizers. Alright, so that's the unboxing. I hope this was helpful to some degree. Thanks a lot for watching.